Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson A Letter to God. A Letter to God is written by G.L. Fuentes. In this lesson, he describes about a hard-working farmer whose name was Lencho. Lencho believed in God. It means he had a firm faith in God. He always told, only God can help him because nobody was there to help him. In this way, we can say that he had a firm faith in God. Now, I am going to tell the summary of the lesson. As you know that Lencho was a poor but hard-working farmer. Lencho was a poor but hard-working farmer. He worked in his field like an ox. His house was situated on the top of a low hill. On the top of a low hill. And that was the only house in the valley. And that was the only house in the valley. He had also sowed the seeds in his field and he hoped for a good crop. But his field needed rain or at least a shower. As you know that for the crops, rain is necessary. Without rain or without irrigation, we cannot cultivate anything. That's why his field needed rain or at least a shower. He waited for the rain. He waited for the rain. And it did come. One day, it started drizzling. It started drizzling. In the beginning, Lencho felt the falling raindrops as new silver coins. In the beginning, Lencho felt that the falling raindrops as the new silver coins. He symbolizes big drops of silver coin, big drop of rains as silver coins like 10 cents, and the small drops of the rain he symbolizes 5 cents. That was falling from the sky. It means we can say that as new silver coins has been referred by Lencho that the raindrops were very beneficial for his crops. That's why he resembled the raindrops as silver coins. But gradually, the rain transformed into a heavy storm. But the rain transformed into a hailstorm. The hailstones fell for an hour. The hailstones fell for an hour. It destroyed his crops completely. It destroyed his crops completely. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. He thought that they would go hungry the whole year.